Welcome. Today I'll be making blueberry pound cake. Let's get started. Here I have a stick and 1/2 of butter. Use just some good butter. This is Kerrygold. It's pretty good. I like it. It's nice and flavorful, nice and buttery. I'm gonna get this in here. These in here. Mm-hmm. And we're going to give this a turn until it's nice and creamy. Okay, it's nice and smooth and creamy. Now I have 1 cup of sugar. Get that in. And let that go for a minute or so. That's nice and smooth. And I have 1/3 of a cup of cream cheese. Gonna do the same thing with that, about a minute or so. Okay, that's nice and creamy. And I have a teaspoonful of almond extract. Extract, or however you say it. Smells so good. Mmm. Nice and fluffy. I have 3 eggs. Gonna add them in. 1. 2. 3. I'm going to scrape the sides down a little bit. I have a 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I just add this in. Gotta slow that down. Turn it up a little. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. keep this for a few more minutes. And that's good. Yeah. Nice and creamy. Here I have 1 cup of blueberries that, of course, I've rinsed them off and I've let them sit a while and kind of air dry. And here I have some flour, and I'm going to toss these in. Let me get a spoon so it won't be so messy. And the reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want my blueberries to all go down to the bottom of the cake. This will help them float instead of settling at the bottom. Well, not float, but you know what I mean. They'll be all over the cake. Yeah. Just want to make sure that they're covered well. People are so loud. I'm going to put them back into this strainer here. And shake the excess off. That about did it. Here in my beautiful cake batter, I'm going to add those blueberries in. And we're just going to fold them. Just fold them around. You don't want to break them. If you could help it. Try not to. That's about all I'm going to do. Because I've lost a few, and that's normal. Just don't want to break too many. Here I have my loaf pan. I'm going to spray it with some non-stick, just in case, for a safe measure. There we go. I'm going to get this into the pan. My oven is heated at 350 and ready to cook. Let me get to use this. That wasn't bad, huh? Pretty easy. Oops. Like ice cream. Smells so good. You know, I had to taste it even though they say don't. Always have. Probably always will. But I said all that to say the batter is delicious too. The berries are sweet. I know I'm going to love it, and I hope you will too. Okay. Let's get it in there. And we're going into the oven. I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour and 10 minutes. But keep checking because that may be too long. Or it may be not long enough, but we'll see. That went for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Try to let you see without burning myself a little better. I'm going to wait for about 5 minutes. I'm going to take it out, put it on the cooling rack, and I'm going to let it cool for about 30 minutes, and then I'll try cutting it. Okay, I'll let that cool for about 30 minutes. And cut this end off. I think I need a serrated knife. Let me give it a taste. A little bit. It's still warm. One more bite. That's good. You see the blueberries in there. Hey, thanks for watching. And remember to pray. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you, pray for them. Pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Share and subscribe if you haven't. And if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family. And comment. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, stay well, stay safe. I love you. Yeah, you. I really do. Make you some of this blueberry pound cake. Later.